Hi, I'm Erik Atkinson with Premier Property Group. I'm at 2960 Pulver Place, Northwest Albany, and this home is about to come on the market. You're going to want to check it out. There's so many updates: brand new kitchen cabinets and appliances, hardwood floor. There is a beautiful park-like private setting in the backyard. It's just amazing. Koi pond, raised garden beds, fruit trees. Also, this home comes with a shop, a pretty big shop. You're going to want to check this out. Also, well maintained. This home has a new roof. The shop has a new roof too, both installed in 2019. If you'd like a private tour of this home, please call me or text me at 541-829-8227. I'm Erik Atkinson with Premier Property Group.